Remarketing is a technique to advertise to people who have already been to your website. They know your brand, they know your products, and they just need a little bit more advertising to actually get them to purchase from you. In this quick video, I'm going to go through how you set up the remarketing tag in Google Ads and how you set up an audience in Google Ads as well. Remarketing is when you track visitors that have been to your website. You create an audience of these visitors and then show them advertising to try get them back to your website to convert. To set this up, you need to add some more code to your website and create an audience. To do this, click on Tools, Shared Library, and then Audience Manager. Select Setup Audience Source or click on the Data Sources tab. We are going to set up the Google Ads tag. Select Setup Tag. Select the first option in the remarketing section and click Save and Continue. You can now email the instructions to your web developer and ask them to install this in the head section of every page of your website. Once added, click Send and Continue. Once the code has been added to your website, you will start seeing hits coming in from your website and populating here. Remarketing Audience Setup. To start using remarketing techniques in a campaign, you will need to set up an audience. The remarketing tag we set up collects all the people that have landed on our website. We can now create segments of that inside audiences and use those in different campaigns. The first audience we will set up is for everyone that lands on our website, so we can start showing ads to everyone. To do this, click on Tools, Shared Library, and then Audience Manager. We can see that there is an automatically created audience, but we will create an additional one. Select the plus button, select Website Visitors, name your audience, in Actions, we are going to change 30 to 180. This is going to give us the largest audience to start with. We're going to make sure that we name our audience accordingly so we can identify it. We can leave all the other settings for now. Click Create Segment. We can use the same technique to create segments for people who have visited certain pages of our website, who have completed conversion actions, or who have visited our website in a shorter number of days. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments for me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do put content out here weekly.